Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I am here to share this week's hashtag Deck the Year. It's an open collaboration hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. And this altered playing card, I since I had it on my desk, I was making these ATC cards for a swap I'm doing, and I had remnants of some paper. I still have stickers. I do not have any more flowers, but I don't remember where I put my bling. So I improvised, and this is what I came up with. So I used some paper that I had in my stash. Um, and then here is some of that remnants of this paper. I have a whole 12 by 12 sheet of paper that I want to use up. I used some yellow trim and some ribbon. I made this finger bow that I like to do. And then here's a bee sticker. And then here's some black flat back pearls. So I was just using things that was on my desk. And then this is the rub-on from Dollar Tree that I have to say I'm impressed. I have another rub-on and it doesn't work. I've I've tried everything. I just used this pen and I rubbed on the rub-on and it rubs on perfectly fine. The other one, I don't know. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's you can see it, right? You can see it here and you can see it there. And it rubbed on fine. I don't know. The other one was just not good quality, and maybe I was using the words or something, and I don't know. It didn't work for me. So this is this week's hashtag Deck the Year. It is week 32, August 8th, and yeah, I love it. It turned out really cool. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. Go check out that hashtag. Join in if you want. Um, and just add that hashtag to your title, and Penny will come and check it out, and everybody else will come and check it out. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Have a great week. Bye now.